God. What's going on, guys? I'm Banker with Custom Offsets, back with another cool truck shit, and this is going to be a new product, another new product coming to the website. We showed you the road armor bumpers. These are now the body armors. So we are unboxing today a 07 to 18 GM 1500 rear bumper and a 14 to 18 GM front bumper. So there's not a whole lot to talk about. I'm just gonna get into these boxes, get them open, and show you what they look like. All right, guys, so there she is. This is gonna be the rear bumper again. This fits the 07 to 18 model, so every step of the way from the new body style GM trucks. It's gonna have the step corners just like the 14 to 18s do, so if you wanted to upgrade your 07 to 13, it'll have the step. And this is going to be a light pocket as well. So interesting, the grate is behind it instead of in front of it, but that is what that is right there. Could also be a step as well if you didn't want to integrate the lights. So she's built at about 3/16 plate, so it's not super heavy duty, but it is very fully welded. So I think this will take a pretty good impact. And it's got a very interesting texture. It's not a heavy texture, although it looks like a heavy texture. It's very interesting. Ryan, you want to get a close-up of this texture? I don't think you're going to be able to paint over what's on here. So that is the rear bumper. I'm already out of breath. Let's unbox the front one. All right, so like I was saying, you can see now these are very low profile, very high clearance bumpers here. Probably about half the overall width of the stock bumper, which is good because these are going on Jerry's truck from Archon, and he's running 37s on a 7-inch rough country. So he needs all the clearance he can get. I have his bumper hacked up and he still can't turn. So in addition, high clearance, we've got provisions for a 20-inch light bar in the center. Again, there's a spot here for cubes in the corners, or if your truck's massive, it'd make a nice step so you can actually reach the hood or get under the hood, wash the windshield, stuff like that. Clearance for the factory tow hooks here. So if you need a visualization, look at your truck where your tow hooks are, bumper ends there. No valence coming down, nothing below that. So very tight profile. Again, same powder coat, same 3/16 plate construction, fully welded. And this one actually has provisions for sensors. So that's those. Again, the front bumper is for a 14 to 18 GM 1500 truck. This is Silverado 1500. And the rear bumper is for the 07s to 18s. So they fit the whole spectrum there. And there's more stuff out there for Silverados. We just happen to have these in-house, so this is what we're showing you. But you're gonna wanna keep an eye on the website. I'm sure these aren't up yet, but they will be soon. So you're gonna wanna head out to customoffsets.com and pick yourself up a bumper.